Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Loom account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you archive multiple videos in your Loom account at once? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to archive multiple videos in your Loom account at once? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing content like me and you are using Loom, you know that the video section, it can get cluttered pretty quick, especially if you're recording a lot of videos like I am. And it's time consuming to archive each and every video one by one. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Loom account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Loom account, and this is the home screen, the library. So in order to archive multiple videos at once, it's actually pretty easy. What you're going to do is go ahead and click on the first video, and then you want to go ahead and go to the last video. But before you click on this little box with the check mark, hold down the shift button. And when you hold the shift button, it's automatically going to check all the videos in between. So you can see that middle one, I didn't check it. It automatically checked it. Another way you can do this is you can go ahead and, let's go ahead and cancel this. Okay, so now what you can do is you can hold down the command key. So if you have maybe 10 videos here, and then you want to archive more than one, just click on this one and then the next one. Okay, so once you have all the videos checked that you'd like to archive, you click on this archive button down here at the bottom. Okay, and you can see all of them get archived all at the same time instead of going one by one. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to archive multiple videos inside your Loom account at once, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.